Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab, your go-to spot for honest and fun camera reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 11 best high-resolution cameras you can grab right now on Amazon. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love capturing every detail of life, we've got something for you. From rugged 4K cameras to full-frame mirrorless beasts, these picks will elevate your photography game instantly. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Sony a7R III camera. The Sony a7R III is a powerhouse for photographers who crave incredible detail. Featuring 42.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, this mirrorless camera captures sharp, high-resolution images with vibrant colors and stunning dynamic range. Low-light performance is exceptional thanks to its ISO range and advanced image stabilization, which reduces blur even when shooting handheld. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, making it perfect for portraits, landscapes, and action shots alike. Its 4K video recording ensures cinematic quality footage straight out of the camera. The sleek, lightweight design is travel-friendly, while the touchscreen and intuitive menus make navigation effortless. Overall, the Sony a7R III is ideal for anyone seeking a professional-grade camera that delivers exceptional image quality in every situation. Number 2. Sony Alpha 61 megapixel camera. The Sony Alpha 61 megapixel camera is a true high-resolution champion. Boasting a 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, it captures extraordinary detail, making it perfect for large prints or cropping without losing clarity. Its Bionz X image processor ensures fast, precise performance, while low-light photography is enhanced by excellent ISO capabilities. Autofocus is incredibly responsive, ideal for both portraits and action shots. The 4K video mode produces smooth, high-quality footage, and the ergonomic design makes long shoots comfortable. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, the Sony Alpha 61 megapixel blends cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, delivering impressive results every time. This camera is a long-term investment for capturing every moment in stunning detail. TG6 Rugged 4K Camera. The TG6 Rugged 4K camera is built for adventure. Waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, it can withstand extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor photography. Its 12MP sensor might seem modest, but the TruePic 8 processor ensures sharp, vibrant images even underwater. With 4K video recording, high-speed burst mode, and macro capabilities, every detail is captured beautifully. The built-in GPS and compass features are perfect for documenting your travels. Its compact, lightweight design fits easily in your pocket or backpack, making it ideal for hikes, dives, or extreme sports. For anyone who loves capturing adventure without worrying about damaging their camera, the TG6 delivers high-quality, reliable performance in a rugged package. Sony Alpha 42 megapixel mirrorless. The Sony Alpha 42 megapixel mirrorless is perfect for photographers who need versatility and stunning image quality. With a 42 megapixel full-frame sensor, it captures incredibly detailed photos with beautiful dynamic range. Its fast autofocus system ensures you never miss a moment, whether shooting portraits, landscapes, or fast-moving subjects. The 4K video capability makes it a solid choice for videographers as well. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry around without sacrificing performance. Its intuitive controls and touchscreen make navigating settings simple, even for beginners. If you're looking for a mirrorless camera that balances professional-grade image quality with portability and ease of use, the Sony Alpha 42 megapixel is a reliable choice for capturing life in stunning detail. Olympus TG7 Rugged 4K Camera. The Olympus TG7 Rugged 4K camera is built to handle any adventure while delivering impressive image quality. Waterproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, and dustproof, it can tackle the harshest conditions, from diving to mountaineering. Its 12-megapixel BSI sensor paired with TruePic 8 processor captures vibrant, sharp images in all lighting conditions. The microscope mode allows you to explore extreme close-ups, while 4K video recording ensures professional quality footage. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a durable camera without sacrificing performance. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to switch modes on the fly, making the Olympus TG7 ideal for anyone who wants high-resolution images and videos in extreme environments. Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Camera. The Nikon Z50 mirrorless camera offers superb image quality in a compact body. With a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers crisp, vibrant photos and excellent low-light performance. Its fast hybrid autofocus ensures sharp shots, even with moving subjects, and continuous shooting makes capturing action effortless. The 4K UHD video capability adds versatility for content creators. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for travel and everyday photography. The tilting touchscreen makes framing and reviewing shots intuitive, while the electronic viewfinder provides accurate previews. For photographers who want a reliable, high-performance mirrorless camera without the bulk of a DSLR, the Nikon Z50 combines portability, quality, and ease of use in one stylish package. Meike 85mm Portrait Lens. The Meike 85mm portrait lens is designed for stunning portraits with beautiful background blur. Its wide f.18 aperture allows excellent low-light performance and smooth bokeh, making subjects pop against soft, creamy backgrounds. Crafted with precision optics, it delivers sharp, detailed images across the frame. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry and perfect for weddings, portraits, and travel photography. The manual focus ring is smooth and precise, giving you full creative control. Compatible with a wide range of mirrorless and DSLR cameras, this lens is an affordable option for photographers who want professional portrait quality without breaking the bank. The Meike 85mm brings depth, clarity, and elegance to every shot.
Nikon Z7 II Full Frame. The Nikon Z7 II Full Frame camera is a powerhouse for high-resolution photography. Featuring a 45.7 megapixel sensor, it captures stunningly detailed images with excellent dynamic range. Dual processors ensure fast performance, making continuous shooting and autofocus smooth even in challenging conditions. Its in-body image stabilization minimizes blur, while 4K UHD video recording adds versatility for creators. The robust, weather-sealed body is ideal for outdoor shoots, and the ergonomics make long sessions comfortable. With dual card slots, you'll never worry about running out of storage. Perfect for professionals and enthusiasts, the Z7 II delivers high-quality images, remarkable reliability, and advanced features, making it a top choice for anyone serious about photography.
Nikon D850 Pro DSLR. The Nikon D850 Pro DSLR is a legendary camera for high-resolution enthusiasts. Sporting a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, it produces incredibly sharp, detailed images suitable for large prints or commercial work. Its fast autofocus system captures moving subjects with precision, while ISO performance excels in low light conditions. 4K UHD video recording allows cinematic quality footage, and the robust, weather-sealed body is built for any shooting environment. With a tilting touchscreen and intuitive controls, navigating settings is easy. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action photography, the D850 provides professional-grade performance, reliability, and versatility. For serious photographers who demand detail and quality in every shot, this DSLR is a proven industry favorite. Nikon P950 83x Zoom. The Nikon P950 83x Zoom is perfect for wildlife, sports, or any scenario where distance matters. Its 83x optical zoom lens allows incredible reach without sacrificing clarity, while the 16MP sensor captures vibrant, detailed images. Equipped with 4K UHD video, it's ideal for both photography and videography. The electronic viewfinder and tilting LCD screen make framing distant subjects effortless. Built-in image stabilization ensures sharp shots even at extreme zoom levels. Compact and versatile, the P950 is a bridge camera that combines power and convenience. Whether you're observing nature or traveling, this camera delivers high-resolution images and long-range performance in a lightweight, user-friendly package. Nikon Z50 II Bundle. The Nikon Z50 II Bundle is a complete mirrorless package for photographers seeking versatility and quality. The 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor produces crisp, vibrant images, while fast hybrid autofocus ensures every moment is captured sharply. 4K video recording adds creative flexibility, and continuous shooting makes action photography effortless. Lightweight and compact, the camera is perfect for travel or everyday use. The bundle often includes lenses and accessories, providing everything you need to start shooting immediately. With an intuitive interface and tilting touchscreen, it's easy to explore settings and review shots on the go. Ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike, the Z50 II Bundle delivers high-quality performance, convenience, and excellent value.
And that's a wrap on our top 14 best high-resolution cameras. From rugged, adventure-ready models to professional full-frame powerhouses, there's a camera here for every type of photographer. I hope this video helps you find the perfect gear to capture every moment in stunning detail. Remember, the links to all these cameras are in the description below if you want to check prices or grab your favorite. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with Camera Lab's latest reviews. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!